Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do a 4-strand braid, and I'm sorry for not posting last week because it was spring break. So yeah. Also, let's peep my anime shirt. BNHA. Do we have stands? For I'll be this girl. Okay. Okay, so first we're gonna workshop. I'm not very good at explaining stuff, so I'm making this video because I want to try, but you're probably going to end up having to watch a different video. This is not going to look good at the end. Like, as a style, the braid should look good, but like as a style, it probably will look weird. It's because I'm just trying to demonstrate the braid. I'm not trying to do a hairstyle by putting it right here. So first thing, oh yeah, you probably want to learn how to do a regular braid first. I'm not sure if you could learn this without doing if it's easy to know this without doing a regular braid. Did I really just do that? I'm not sure if you could still do this while doing, if you can't. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to word stuff. I'm not sure if you can, I'm gonna look a little funny. I'm not sure if you can do this without knowing how to do a regular braid, because I do know how to do a regular braid. Okay, so you're gonna start with this one right here. You're gonna put it over this one, under the middle one, and under the last one. I think that was, I don't know. Okay, so over, under, over. And that's literally all you have to do. That's all you have to repeat. It'll take you a while to be able to do it fast, unless you're a fast learner, because it took me a while to be able to go this fast, which isn't even that fast. One of my main problems was holding the braids, because I would usually accidentally merge, well, not the braids, the sections, because they would usually accidentally merge or something like that. I would like just constantly drop. It's easy looking at the braid like this, more than looking in a mirror, but I don't know if that's just for me. But looking at the braid in like real life, I guess you could say, is better than like looking at the phone like I just was. Phone/mirror. Up, under, over. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to tie it off. Okay, this part, I kind of messed up on that part, so we're not going to pay attention to that. We're going to pay attention mostly to this part down here, because this is what you want it to look like. Not this one. Oh my gosh, this is the good part. You could space it out like this, I guess. Basically, if I lift it, you can kind of see like the gist that you want it to look like. So yeah, see, if I do this, it looks really funny because it's bumpy up there. So like, that's not for like hairstyle purposes. If you put it like that and it looks like that. Basically, I'm just trying to show you how to do the braid. I did it on one tiny strand other more than just like a whole thick like ponytail, because that just, I don't know, it looks weird on me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. I don't know. Comment down below if you can do a 4-strand braid now. Oh, also comment down below if you watch BNHA and tell me who your favorite character is. Bye.